dying. Okay, so online school has been killing me. So let's be basic and be like everyone else right now in the pandemic, and let's go take my dog for a really long walk because I've been sitting here coding all day, and I've made no progress because I don't understand what's going on, because learning SAS online without your professor there is kind of really hard. So let's go procrastinate.
Daisy, come on. Hey. Daisy, come on. Come on. Let's go. Oh. Daisy. Come on, you. Come on. Let's go. Let's go. And now this way. Let's try and turn around. Oh. What are you doing? What are you doing? And now let's go this way. Come on. What are you doing? Okay, let's not sit in the middle of the road. Come on, at least move over this Daisy out of the road. See, every time I try... What the heck? Every time that I start walking this way, she wants to go back towards the house. Come on now, let's go this way. And plop. Whenever I try and turn around, she just plops down. Up, 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 up. This way. This way. Let me see if I can try and wrap her around. And now let's go this way. Good girl. Come on. Come on. Come on. Daisy, let's go. Why do you not want to go for a walk? Come on. Daisy, sit. At least she's sitting. Oh. I keep trying to get closer to her, but she keeps wanting to walk back towards the house. Daisy. Daisy, let's go. What the heck are you doing? How can you be tired? We haven't even walked for 5 minutes. Daisy! Jump out. Look at me. What are you doing? What are you doing? Alright, Daisy, come on. Let's try. Okay. Okay. Okay, I got her to go into... What are you doing? I got her to come into the park. So maybe... Do you want to go up on the bench? No? Okay. So this is progress. She made it to the park. I've never met a dog that doesn't like to walk other than this one. Like... I don't get it. Every dog always wants to go outside, but she says no. No. Daisy. Hey, you. Oh, is that a stick? Is that a stick? Do you want a stick? Oh, big stick, big stick. So our playground at our park has tape and cones all over it. You're not allowed to be on the park because of coronavirus, and that's actually a closed sign. Here, there's another one over here. Daisy, come on. What you doing? Do you got a big stick? Do you got a big stick? Do you got a big stick? Come on, let's go. Let's go. Got a big stick. Come on. Yeah, here's one of the closed signs, and then the swing set is even caution taped off. What does that say? I haven't actually been to the park yet. I've been trying to avoid it. Yeah, so pretty much it's because of the caution tape. You're not allowed onto the things. I think it's because metal keeps the virus, like the virus lives on the thing. So. But every like 15 meters she does this. Daisy, come on! Up, 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 up. Like what dog doesn't like to walk? What is this? Daisy, what are you doing? Let's go this way, come on! We're not going back home. Got her back up walking again. Found out that the trick is to keep her moving very fast so she doesn't have a chance to realize how far we're getting away from home. Okay, so it took about 30 minutes, but we're in our neighborhood but a couple blocks away from our house, and she seems to be going because I think she knows there's no point in return of going back, so now she has no choice but to walk. Oh, do you smell something? Come on. Oh. Yep, keep on sniffing. Let's go. She made a new friend. We were walking on other sides of the road, and the guy dog was trying to get to her so bad. He had a huge crush on Daisy because she's such a flirt. Oh, another bush. Gotta smell all the bushes. Okay. Let's not walk on people's... No, we're not going on people's yards, Daisy. Oh, another bush. Gotta smell all the good bushes. Bushes. Come on, let's go. We've made it out to this little creek that's in my area. Just kind of exploring now. Don't know how far we're gonna get because usually this is all dried up by now, and you're able to walk through the stones to get even further back, and because this dirt trail kind of just stops eventually, but it's nice and relaxing just to like chill and listen to the sound of the water. Look at that. It's so pretty. That little like water wave happening right there. Daisy, what are you doing? What are you doing? There's a bunch of people down at the end of the trail on their bikes and stuff, so I'm gonna try and probably stay up here because I don't really want to get too close to people, but maybe let's get a little closer to the water. What's going on? Okay, hopefully the dog won't break me in. Daisy! I'm gonna grab onto your leash here. Come on, let's go. That's so nice. Cool how this is like just in the middle of a neighborhood, but like they kept it, so it's a nice little spot just to like walk out, especially in the summer. This place is beautiful because all the trees are all full bloom, and there's a bunch of like flowers, like wildflowers that grow in here, so it's really nice. Don't know if you can see my phone right now, but I just got an emergency alert saying that we're only allowed to go outside if it's absolutely necessary, so looks like I'm heading home. Yeah, that cut me off there in the last clip, but guess I'm going home. This sign, I always from a distance think it's a picture of someone pushing over a little kid, but nope, they're just playing basketball. It messes me up every single time, but it makes me laugh. I love it.
Okay, so I came home to see what was going on with that emergency alert. I misinterpreted it because I wasn't going to risk going against what they're advising. So I came home, looked more into it. It was just another reminder about how to keep practicing social distancing and all that stuff. So I came home, but now I'm gonna go back to work because I was actually out for like an hour and a half, almost 2 hours. So I guess I better do some homework now. But who knows, maybe I'll go for a drive or something tonight and I could document that. But for now,